trees everywhere. These are like American pine trees. These aren't monkey puzzle trees. They're everywhere. It's cool, man. It's cool. Oh, my lens is fogged up. And just in case anybody was wondering, the Tucson's getting 55 kilometers per liter or something like that. 55, yeah. Not bad. Alright, earlier I was talking about how nice the roads are in Negros Occidental. This road's absolutely gorgeous. Doing 100 kilometers an hour.
And we got the Canlon view.
And there's Mount Canlaon up there. Looks like it's erupting, but it's somebody just burning shit. Still can't see the top of it though, but not bad. Nice road though. Hey, good job, Negros Occidental. Negros Occidental.
Occidental.
Accidental. Wee. So we're in Bacolod, and I don't know if you can see it, but they have street lights.
Of course we have.
There's street lights in Bacolod, and diesel is cheap. It's 35 here. It's 40 on the other side of the island. Huh. Yeah, we've made it. Oh, and check this out. I don't know if we're picking this up. I only went through a quarter tank of gas all the way from Dumaguete to Bacolod. A quarter tank of gas. I started with a half tank, now I got a quarter tank. That's kind of mind-blowing. And 600 so it was 22,690 kilometers. We're at 22,952 now. I can't do the math right now because I'm trying to. Oh, and there's lots of police, and that's a pretty police officer.
Wow.
So yeah, this thing is amazing freaking fuel efficiency. I'm a big fan. Big fan of the Tucson. CRDI. Alright, let's keep going here. We're trying to get to our accommodations. Still can't get over this whole traffic light thing. It's amazingly efficient. Not much traffic in Bacolod either, so far. But then again, it's not rush hour. Alright, so we're rapidly losing light, but this is the aforementioned Lagoon, which is basically a lagoon. And it's like a recreation. It's a little green space in the city. You can see there's runners and everything. And there's the Cedar Hotel that doesn't have Wi-Fi in the rooms for some reason. And there's another massive call center. There's so many call centers in Bacolod. Basically, when you're getting customer service, you say, hey, you in Bacolod? And there's a Carabao. And people are just down here relaxing. Again, we just came from the ruins, and it is a beautiful day today in Bacolod. Not too hot. I wouldn't be surprised if over there is the Capitol building. I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know. I gotta wait for my wife because she had a hankering for mangoes. Mango slices with soy sauce. Unripe mangoes with soy sauce.
Golden Carabao, but it's not gold anymore.
Okay, so that's a golden Carabao, but it's not gold anymore?
Yeah, it faded.
Somebody took the gold. Is that the Capitol building over there?
Yep.
Oh.
And there's a museum over there.
There's a museum.
And the yellow mall is just right in the corner over there.
And we are seriously losing the light now. But anyways, I just thought I'd just do this and say, hey.
These are tilapia.
And there's tilapia. Oh, that's a lot of tilapia. Damn. Don't fall in there. They get shredded by tilapia. Alright, so that's the lagoon. Yay! And she's happy. This is the happiest I've seen you all day. Mango slices with soy sauce. Once more, people, puppies, unicorns, rainbows, and unripe mango slices for all. This is that's Chicha. We'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Bye.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.